Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So it's a nice Saturday morning and I'm here with some gorgeous Happymail that I received this week. So first of all, this was sent to me by the lovely Caroline. She just sent me an email saying, oh, I've got a spare die set that I got sent, I got sent two or something like that from AliExpress, and offered it to me. And of course I jumped at the chance. Hello, Mango. As we know, I love dies. So there's Caroline there and oh, Mango, what are you doing? So the gorgeous dies I was sent were these beautiful gingerbread dies, and you can see you get the gingerbread outline, you get the two faces. Now I've got Bailey at the door. I've got the little outfit to be a boy, girl, chef, smart business person, a girl, and she very kindly also sent me it in a smaller size as well, so I can have little baby gingerbreads. And so here are my little gingerbread family. So I did add the kind of distressing afterwards. I should have added it before, after I decorated them, but it gives them that sort of burnt effect on the craft cardstock. So mummy and daddy and baby. Mummy's bald, which is okay, but I don't know whether there's anything I could do to make her look a bit less bald. So they are so cute, so I absolutely love those. And she also very kindly put in some goodies. So she gave me a bag of these gorgeous beaded embellishments. Now I don't know whether Caroline made these or whether she bought them, but if she made them, she's incredibly talented, because look how delicate that is, made from threading beads. Snowman, Christmas tree. I know you can tell this without me saying the words, but you know, it gives me something to say, doesn't it? And I had a little pumpkin. Where's my little pumpkin gone? Is that in there? There he is. Little pumpkin, and there's an orange pumpkin somewhere, but I can't see it. That maybe is on my desk. She also put in some gorgeous sequins. So these are little snowflake sequins. Look at that colours, or those colours, gorgeous. And then a bunch of lovely embellishments. I'm just going to show you a few of these that are really gorgeous, making sure I'm focused. I have to go and let Bailey in. So we've got, look at that one, gorgeous charms. I'm just going to have to tip them out, aren't I? That is really lovely, that wreath. What a crazy morning I'm having. She's been climbing up every curtain possible, Mango. And they're a bit like safety pins, but I guess you can hang charms from them. Little flowers, little Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. And I'm going to have to pick all these up in a minute, but that's okay. Really beautiful. So I'm very grateful to Caroline for sending me those. She didn't have to do that. It was just a kind gift. So I'm, yeah, very happy. Absolutely adore them. I can get back on my Christmas crafting, which we know is what I've been wanting to do pretty much. You know, that's all I've had in mind since this summer. Gone Christmas crazy this year. So lovely. I'm going to come back in a second and let Bailey in and show you some other lovely Happymail I received. Right, so my second lot of Happymail is from the lovely Lois. Now, Lois contacted me on email saying that she was interested in doing swaps with people and Happymail, but didn't really know how to get into it. So we're talking a little bit about doing Facebook groups and things, but I said, why not do a swap with me? So we'll do a swap. I'll pop it on YouTube as well, and I'm sure some of you lovely crafters will maybe comment on this video and Lois can respond to you, and you can set up some more. Hello, Bailey. Sorry, it's a bit of a cat day, isn't it? Set up some other future swaps for Lois to do. So if you're interested in swapping with Lois, which you will be after seeing the gorgeous stuff she sent me, yeah, comment below and Lois do respond hopefully to the comments, and we will go from there. Obviously I'm not going to stick Lois's details down below. She's not on YouTube. So we will arrange that in other ways, but we decided to do yes, it's gone cat crazy. We decided to do vintage Christmas, and this is beautiful. This is her interpretation of vintage Christmas, which is absolutely perfect, isn't it? And I love the way it's multicultural. Sometimes you get vintage and it's very much like, well, everyone's just a white-skinned, blue-eyed, perfect looking child, and it's nice to have you know, a bit more embracing our nice multicultural world that we live in. So what a really cute design. I don't know if this is graphic 45. It looks to me like it might be. We love graphic 45, but that is gorgeous. That's her card. She said, I know it's very early for Christmas card, but I thought I would stick to the theme. Yes, lovely. So thank you for swapping with me. I'd love to do it again. Hope you like it. And Lois, I'd love to swap with you again. She's not had my swap yet, though. I don't know what to do. Right, sorry about that. Hang on, guys. I put the cats out now, so we'll have less interruptions. Yeah, this week's been a bit hectic at school. I've got an adorable child. Love him very much, but he is hard work. And if you're a teacher, you'll know what I mean when you say you've got one child. This makes your life slightly harder, but it's half term. Look at the back, that's beautiful as well. This coming week, so I'm going to catch up on my crafting. But back to Lois. She made this, I believe, this gorgeous wrapping paper, and I've opened it all up because I couldn't resist. I knew it was going to be gorgeous, so I had to open it. And as I say, it's been a tough week, so I like to treat myself by opening my post. And look how beautiful. So hand stamped, and it was all wrapped like this on the outside, so the postman got to see it too. Lucky old postman. I don't know if the postman really cares, but there we go. So we were doing a pocket letter swap, and then I'll show you the extra goodies that she put in as well. So here we go. Look at this. Talk about vintage Christmas. I love these images, and I do love vintage in general. Just that kind of that little face. It always reminds me of, you know, I've got some really cute, there's some really cute vintage fabric that I made a stocking from. Reminds me of that. Those I can't think what era that is, where they did those little faces. I just find them adorable. So it's absolutely gorgeous. And look at this on the side. So much ribbon. So many bolts. So it's really chunky and a gorgeous bauble there. And you have to see this. Look at this that she's made. It's got a little bell on. I might have to hang that around Mango's neck when she goes outside, because she's going to be a hunter. She has got a little operation on Monday. For those of you who want to keep her in your thoughts, the older neutering operation. That is beautiful, isn't it? Really beautiful. So absolutely love that. So these images are just gorgeous. But not only that, but she has filled it with goodies. I'm going to take the goodies out and show you, which is always a faff, isn't it? Because they're quite fiddly. So some cute little Christmas stickers. And look at these puffy shaker stickers. Now, I did have a quick look at this before, and I thought, I wonder if you can cut that open, because I've seen people do and add even more shakers to it. I think I remember seeing some American crafters do it with some of their like dollar store stickers. So I might be giving that a go. We will see. And then she put in some pots. Let's see if I can get these out. Try and stay in focus, camera. For the up and downness, it doesn't like these gorgeous glass jars. And I have had these before and absolutely love them, because not only do you get the gorgeous jewels inside, but these bottles are so cute for doing 3D projects and things. So they are always really useful. Then we have some lovely Christmas ribbon. Really pretty, really pretty. And she's really kept to the theme and really kept to the colour scheme as well, which is very impressive. Not quite sure I manage that most of the time, but there we go. Lovely Christmas trees and stars. And when I come back from half term, it's going to be total Christmas fever at school as well. So I'm going to be starting to think about the Christmas projects I'm going to make with the children. So she's very generously given me one of the charms there, and more gingerbread men. I love gingerbread men. I'm like a gingerbread man fanatic. And look at that. I love that little Christmas tree. See, I was never that keen. I find Christmas a little bit, sometimes I find it a bit sad. But Mr. Coastal Crafts absolutely loves Christmas, and he's sort of passed his love for Christmas onto me. So if you're watching Mr. Coastal Crafts, that's why I don't hate Christmas anymore. Which is nice, isn't it? I don't often say nice things about him, so gotta add it in occasionally. Right, where have we got to? Look at these. So I was going to say you could have them blank on that side, but that would be backwards, wouldn't it? That would be ridiculous. Gorgeous, gold, glitzy, let it snow. I mean, the chance of it snowing on Christmas, it's a total impossibility. Like, in England, it's not going to happen. Where I live in England, it's doubly not going to happen. But I would kind of like it to. Kind of. Even though snow is hard work. And your family's got animals and things like that, and getting around in a place which doesn't cater for snow. Look at these. So these are like tags, aren't they? How cute would that be as a tag? That's so cute. I think that matches up with that paper that I was gifted by Malice Makes. I just got everything for Christmas, aren't I? I'm like a lucky little lady who can do loads of Christmas stuff. Look at these. I absolutely adore these. I'm going to open them up and show you because they deserve pride of place. I know I've ripped through the sticker, but that was not going to open without ripping. I love these. And how cool would these be to have at work, holding some of my bits together, and the children will just get so excited if I'm using paper clips. I've got Christmas things on. That'll send the children crazy. They're already crazy. They don't need to be sent crazy. They're lovely. I do have lovely children at my school. Look at these pretty ribbons. So pretty. And that is, look at that on the back. Really coordinated, really gorgeous. She is very talented. I did not know how talented Lois was. Obviously, we've never swapped before. And now I'm just like, amazing. But not only did she stop there, but she carried on. And she also sent me a little loaded pocket. It's got my name on it. It's so cute. That image is so cute. And she put in a cute little pen. This has to be used at school as well. I always have to use it at school, but just, you know, you've got to entertain the children and entertain myself whilst I'm marking. The kids will get a real kick from that. And I might even let them borrow it occasionally because I've got some children who would definitely benefit from playing with that. As I say, some of them slightly hard work. This is absolutely beautiful, absolutely fits in with the theme. And look, it's got a Velcro closing. We love that. But she has stuffed in some goodies. Go through these fairly quickly now because I know the video is getting long. Look at those deer heads. It's all gold and red. This is the colour scheme. Some stamps. We know I'm an avid stamper. Some lovely wooden tags. They are so much fun to do. And some cute images. And I'm sure if she watched my video, she must know my love for animals, despite them destroying the start of this video. Look at that. My mum's got a collie. We haven't got an Aga or anything. Not that posh. But look at the black cat. I used to have a black cat. My little baby. Much time ago. And look at a gorgeous tag as well that she made and put on some of the wrapping. That is beautiful, isn't it? But not only all of that, but she messaged me and said, would I be interested in having... She had 2 copies of the Creative Stamping magazine. And I said... I would love it. I'm a stamping fanatic. So she has also sent me a second copy, and I've opened it up. It was in the packaging of Creative Stamping magazine, which comes with this gorgeous stamp set. And I'm definitely going to be creating a card with this stamp set. So I'm not going to go through the magazine now. I'll do that when I make a card with this gorgeous stamp set. But yeah, so that's my swap with Lois and my lovely Happymail random act of kindness from Caroline. And do comment below, tell them how amazing they are. And if you are interested in swapping with Lois, do comment on that as well. And I shall speak to you very, very soon. Bye.